Welcome to My Home Classes. If you haven't seen our previous videos, you may want to watch them before this one. And now, My Home Classes, for homeschoolers by homeschoolers, presents Ancient History, Part 3, The Flood to Babel.
The descendants of Adam and Eve filled the whole earth. But almost all of these people became wicked, and the Lord took note of that. The Lord regretted that he had made human beings on the earth, and his heart was deeply troubled. So the Lord said, I will wipe from the face of the earth the human race I have created, and with them the animals, the birds, and the creatures that move along the ground, for I regret that I have made them. But Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord. God told Noah to build an ark that he and his sons and their wives were to live in when God sent a worldwide flood. They were to take along 7 pairs of every clean animal and 1 pair of every unclean animal. Then the flood came, and it brought massive changes to the earth. The waters came both from rain and from under the ground, and the waters rose above all the mountains. Noah, his family, and the animals were on the ark for about a year. This caused major geological changes. The landmass of Pangaea was broken into separate continents, and places like the Grand Canyon were formed. You can see the evidence of the global flood, not only in the rock formations above the ground, but in the layers of earth underground, and in the mix of fossils that the sediment layers hold. God said to Noah and to his sons with him, I establish my covenant with you. Never again will all life be destroyed by the waters of a flood. Never again will there be a flood to destroy the earth. And he set a rainbow as the sign of the covenant. Noah's descendants repopulated the earth. Many of them moved eastward and settled on the plain of Shinar. They decided to build a city with a tower that reached to the heavens so they could make a name for themselves. When the Lord came down to see the city and the tower the people were building, the Lord said, If as one people speaking the same language they have begun to do this, then nothing they plan to do will be impossible for them. Come, let us go down and confuse their language, so they will not understand each other. God did not want the world to be filled with sin again, like it was during the time of Noah. So the Lord scattered them from there over all the earth, and they stopped building the city. That is why it was called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of the whole world. From there the Lord scattered them over the face of the whole earth. Next week we will talk about one of the main areas of the world where civilization developed after the flood in Babel, the Fertile Crescent.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.